entry door, main hall, window, kitchen on the left, cabinets are made, upper, lower cabinet, sink, balcony, exhaust fan. Back to the hall. First bedroom, right side, balcony, view from the balcony, playing area and swimming pool view. Wooden flooring in the bedroom. Common bathroom. Common bathroom. Now the second bedroom. Wooden flooring. Cupboard. Balcony. Shopping complex from the balcony. And again common gardens. Greens are visible. And the shopping area is visible. This side, the metro line can be seen. Going out of the second bedroom. Now the master bedroom. Attached wallpaper, cupboard and loft. Cupboard with drawers. Attached bathroom.